Broadcom's story began in 1961 as Hewlett-Packard's semiconductor division, which became Agilent in 1999 and later evolved into Avago. In 2016, Avago paid $37 billion for Broadcom Corporation, adopted its name, and then bolstered its software portfolio with CA's automation arm, Symantec's enterprise security business, and VMware. When it bought Autosys in 2018 and Automic in 2019, customers feared its hardware roots would shortchange workload automation. Fast forward to mid-2024 when, buried in a partner update, Broadcom quietly announced a change to its licensing model. Every agentless execution, including APIs, serverless functions, event-based triggers, and scripts, would now count as a paid task. Overnight, zero-cost background jobs became billable. Teams discovered renewal quotes were up to 200% higher. They scrambled to audit hundreds of jobs, estimate costs with no dashboards, and freeze new automations to avoid surprise bills. But before you jump platforms, here are 5 fast strategies to stem the cost tide. 1. Audit every agentless job and rank by value. 2. Bundle related calls into composite workflows and deploy cloud agents where allowed. 3. Create real-time dashboards with alerts at 60, 80 and 95%. 4. Negotiate phased billing rollouts and volume discounts. And 5. Run proof of value pilots on an alternative scheduler to compare total cost of ownership. If these tactics don't keep costs in check, or the trust is gone, then it's time to migrate. A proven migration path starts with discovery and platform evaluation, maps every job to its new home, automates what you can, tests in parallel, and trains your team for smooth cutover. Elysium accelerates that journey with deep workload automation expertise. We assess your environment, model your total cost of ownership, plan a low-risk migration, automate conversions, validate outcomes, train your people, and stay on hand to provide support once you're live. Act now to protect operations, cut costs, and stay in control. Contact Elysium or visit our website today.